So, I think this is my fourth time I'm coming to Siddipet. I came last year also. Anyone who was there in last year also? Okay, I think very less students, right? Okay. So today the purpose of coming to Siddipet is career guidance. The first advice before starting going in deep is please take guidance from experts. Okay, let us know the difference between motivation and guidance. For example, mostly students are fan of actors, right? Let us take an example of any actor. Right now, any famous actor in Telugu, who's famous actor right now? Anyone? I think this RR movie is coming, right? So let us take Ram Charan. So maybe many of you may be loving him, maybe, right? So because if he tells you something, you will do because you like him, right? So he can motivate you. He can motivate you to do anything, but he cannot guide you about IIT JEE or about CA, about medical. If you ask him that I am your biggest fan, how to prepare for IIT JEE, I don't think he can tell, right? But if you ask him how to act, I think he will tell many things. Same, if you ask to me how to prepare for CA or medical, I cannot tell perfectly, right? I can tell only about IIT JEE selection because that is what I am doing from the last 7 to 8 years. Maybe sir can tell you in a better way about CA. Or maybe someone who has qualified this NEET exam, medical exam, he can tell you about that particular field. So please take advice from experts only. Don't take anyone advice and go on that. Because this is what I observed. Because as a director of a coaching institute, I get a opportunity to meet many parents. Almost every day I will meet around 10 to 15 parents. So the main reason or the main problem which I feel is parents are also not aware. Right now in this world, internet world, if you simply type what is IIT JEE, you will get I think lakhs of videos. But still I am confident 50% of us may not know about IIT JEE right now also. Because we don't see those videos or maybe we don't understand everything from those videos. So first of all, we should know the proper reason behind doing any work. That is what I feel. And right now, in today's world, whether you believe it or not, marks does not matter. It was the era of 20 years back where you will get a job directly based on your marks. Right now, if you need a good job, okay, if you need like that grade A job, you need to be talented. Marks won't matter. Marks will be only qualifying in nature. Because this is what I observe from parents' side also. What they will do, sir, my son got 10 CGPA in class 10, so he will get a very good rank in IIT JEE. To motivate kids in a different way. Like, why you need to work hard for that particular exam. Whether that is CA, whether that is IIT JEE, or whether that is medical. Let us explain everything to students. This is what will happen in IIT exam. This is what will happen in CA exam. This is what is going to happen in medical exam. And no exam is easy. CA is not easy. Medical also is not easy. IIT is also not easy. Right? But if you come to me, I'll be honest with you. Suppose if you come to me and if you ask me, sir, I don't know which side my son should choose or my daughter should choose, what shall I do? Me being a director of a coaching center, what I will tell, can you guess? IIT is very good, let him prepare for IIT. Yes or no? Because that is what going to happen. But as sir told, CA is not an easy task. Being a CA is not an easy task. Okay, so, but similarly if you go to CA, what he will tell? CA is best, right? So much stress in JEE Advance, but you ask a CA how stressful that is also. The point is, if you want to become unique in your own way, you have to work hard, irrespective of the field. But please do a thorough research about that particular field which interests you. Because right now, if I ask to you, how many of you students likes to study? Be honest. That is a problem in India. Because the education system is such that we don't love study. If somebody asks you, okay, now it's a game period, you'll be very happy, now suddenly game period came. Right? But suppose somebody tell today now maths class or physics class or account class, commerce class, okay, everyday classes only I'm going, what is different, right? The system is kind of that thing. So first of all, we need to have interest in that particular field. Suppose if you ask me, because like I told, because parents will come to me, say my son or daughter is very intelligent, she is like journey, how you achieve that result? Because it is not confirmed, it is not sure that you are going to get your result for sure, that you will be successful. But journey can teach you many things irrespective of the fact that you failed. Now coming to J Advance, as I told, I will give you guidance related to J Advance only, because I am expert in that. I won't tell you about other fields. Coming to J Advance, every year around 12 lakh students will write this exam. Okay? So out of 12 lakhs, if you see, around approximately I'm telling, 18,000 students will get selected. And if you want to go to a decent IIT, as a general candidate, you need to have a rank of like within 6,000. So do you think it is easy to get rank under 6,000 from 12 lakh students? It's not easy, right? It's not easy. So I'll tell you about how I started my preparation. Okay, I cleared IITJ exam, and just for the information, I cleared medical exam also. Okay, at the same time, but it is not that I'm telling, this is the thing which I'm not proud of. Because I believe if I would have focused entirely on IITJ, I would have got a better rank. Okay, that is what I'm saying. Please don't listen to everyone. I was also a good student till my class 10th. Same after 10th, my grandfather, basically I'll give my credit to my grandfather for my education. My father is a farmer, so he don't know that much about education, that what to do. So my grandfather will take interest. So he went to a scientist. That my grandson is very intelligent. He's a district topper. I was a district topper in class 10. What should he do now? Definitely, if we are topper, we eliminate commerce naturally, right? Now actually the awareness is coming. But my time, what used to happen? Commerce was not an option. Commerce was, if you are not getting science, you will get commerce. That was that time, around 7-8 years back. Okay, so scientists, or your district topper, you can do anything. Then the question was whether to choose math or biology, right? We get choice. So then he told what he wanted to do. I was also not knowing, because I don't know what is the future of a student having maths or student having biology. I know engineer, doctor, that's it. I don't know what is after that. So he told, your son is very intelligent, let him take both. And I was a student, I was not mature enough to say no. Because I feel if I say no, they will think I am not an intelligent student. I cannot handle both. That was a mentality that time for me. So I took both. Which I feel I made a mistake. Because if your goals are clear, chances of getting success in that is more. Okay, so I took both, but I was more interested toward maths. Okay, biology was okay but I need to get good marks in biology, otherwise it was about my social respect. I was a district topper in class 10. What if I didn't got good marks in class 12? That was extra pressure which I feel was there. But anyway, so maybe like with the grace of God or whatever reasons, I survived. I got good marks in biology also, maths also. Then after 12th we have to fill application forms. So again same question, which form to fill, maths or medical or IITJ exam. So I filled both. I applied for both the exams because I was very proud at that time that I have taken both the subjects and I will give. So I used to show that superiority among my friends. See, I'm writing this exam also, this exam also. And teachers also used to appreciate me. Okay, so this I'm telling which was not good. Don't take that I'm telling something good about me. Okay, this is not good at all. So I cleared medical exam in first attempt itself without any coaching. I didn't know about IIT till now. That there is something called IIT. I know engineering only. Okay, so then I wrote this IITJ exam. That time this JEE Mains advanced concept was not there. It was IITJ exam separate. JEE Mains AIEEE it was called separate. So I went. I wrote JEE Mains also. I wrote this AIEEE exam also. IITJ exam also. In IITJ, I think I got 32 marks out of 480. 32 marks out of 480. In medical exam, I got, I think 156 out of 200. That time. so I got a selection also. But you know, maths was my favorite subject, and I took it on my ego. Maths is my favorite subject. How can I get 32 out of 480 IDG exam? So that was a triggering factor for me. My parents didn't told me to prepare for IDG exam, which I feel was a good point. I chose it myself. That no, how can it happen? If my interest is maths, how can I get so less marks in maths, but I'll get good marks in medical list, biology. And what was that called? APMT, the All India Pre-Medical Test. That time. Now it is NEET, I think. That time it was All India Pre-Medical Test. So that at the same time then I decided I am going to prepare for this exam and I am going to write it again after 1 year. Anyway, medical I will clear next time again. Because if I clear without, I can clear next time also. So that was a factor for me which motivated me till last. And you won't believe me, when I went to Kochi, like normally North India will go to Kota. Kota is a hub for education in North India, like maybe Hyderabad is for people nearby Hyderabad. I went there. For the next 6 months my marks were same. There also I was getting 32 out of 480, 42 or 50, rarely I cross 80 out of 480. This was the condition when I was working hard like anything. And imagine my mental status, I was a district topper, right? So accepting those 40 marks out of 480, how difficult it would have been at that time for me, right? So there were two ways, obviously. One way was give up easily. It's an easy way, right? Cry in front of your parents, then they will obviously worry for you. Okay, don't worry beta, stress is not good for you. You will get so many disease or weakness. Okay, so you give up. Second was just to assume I will not get success. Okay, but let me give my 100%. Because if you live in middle, anyway you will end up nowhere. Maybe you can enjoy those last 4 to 5 months without studying, but trust me, that will feel like a torture after 4 to 5 months. So I chose the second way. Okay, I assume that I am not going to get a selection, but I'll give my 100% irrespective of my marks. Because I am a living example here, that is I am telling marks doesn't matter, especially in any competition. So students should not be judged how good they score in their board exams, school exams. They should be judged how attentive, how interested they are in that particular, in getting success in that particular exam. If they are interested, we as a parent don't have to make any effort. We just have to support them. So I just continued like that. Then like I used to give exam, do my test analysis where I made a mistake. I even won't even check what was my rank in that particular institute. I just started, because I was doing 100%. I couldn't do more than that. So why to worry for marks? Because even if I check marks, I can't do more than that. I'm already doing. So that is what I feel was a factor which made me different from others, and I could handle that situation in a positive way then. Because my expectation were zero. Like my expectation were if I'll get a college in UP, basically I'm from UP state. So if I'll be like, I'll get a UP government college, I'll be fine, else I'll go for medical. I don't want to become a doctor. So that is why medical was decided. I want to go to medical side. So I will just do engineering because I love maths. So like that it started. So exam was in the month of April. Till February my rank was like, my marks were maybe below 100 out of 480. That time exam was a 480 marks, like 480, 440 like that. So that institute used to keep out 480 marks. So it was the month of March, because I was a dropper. After 12th I prepared. So students were busy in their board exam, class 12 students. And we were like preparing for that exam in the month of March. That is what helped me like anything. Because I was free, I don't have to go to institute to study. Syllabus was over. I did my own self-study at home. At home means in PG. Okay, I used to stay in a PG. So there like I used to study 18 hours a day. And it is, the good part was I used to enjoy it. It was not a stress that I have to study for 18 hours a day. Now I won't tell you that studying by 18 hours a day only you will get IDJ exam. We have a friend, one more friend, he will tell you his story. How he cleared IDJ exam, he got a better rank than me. So it is not that what I did, only you have to do same. But I am telling just I enjoyed my journey. I enjoyed my journey like anything. So I used to study for around 18 hours last 1 month and used to enjoy it. It was not a stressful work. If I won't study, I'll get stressed. How can I waste my time? It's the last 1 month for me to prepare. So it was an enjoyment time. When I will sleep, I will be excited for the next day. When will next morning will come? I was excited for that. So that is what helped me, and I got a rank of 359. So which I felt, I feel even if I will get rank of 5,000, I will be very happy. But I got 359 rank, and which I completely believe it was because I was interested for that particular exam. I could handle my stress well by lowering my expectation before result. Okay, so because that is the unnecessary stress which we take. Because right now if you ask who can clear IITJ exam, sir, only extraordinary people can clear. It is completely false. Okay, it is not true at all. Students who are interested to clear that exam and ready to handle that stress definitely will clear this exam. Out of 12 lakhs, I believe 10 lakh students can't handle pressure itself. Maybe they are better than you in terms of IQ, but they can't handle pressure. So, if you can handle pressure better than those students, automatically you are ahead. Then second thing is, you shouldn't compare yourself with anyone else. Right? You shouldn't compare like, I studied for 18 hours, I should also study for 18 hours. Comparison should be only with yourself. Because there are 12 lakh students writing exam every year, with how many students will compare? You'll go mad, right? So you don't have to compare with anyone. That mentality should be completely stopped. That I am better than my friend, or I am better than my relative's friend. Because this is what happens in Indian societies. No matter how good you are, there will be someone to criticize you. No matter how bad you are, there will be someone to support you. So that is why, please be honest with yourself. And till class 10, I feel we need to guide not only students, we need to guide parents also. Because parents are the first teacher for students. At least till class 10. They are the first one who will tell them, this is what is going to happen in this exam, or they are the first one who will take them to someone. Like maybe they will take them to someone, okay, you can ask about IITJ to this person, you can ask about medical to this person, ask about accounts, commerce to this person. So, we need to guide both. One student will get the idea, okay, this is what is going to happen, and this is the after result, this is what I need to do. Suppose I will go to IIT, this is what I will be doing in IIT. And why IIT is so different? Like sir told, what is like, do you feel IIT people who are into IIT are like some cream people? I don't feel so. They are also common people. Just they are mentally very, very strong and they were interested for that exam. They got that selection. Simple. I am a teacher now. I am giving a coaching for IITJEE and my marks were highest in IIT chemistry subject. My marks were not even half, I think, or near half in maths. And now I am giving coaching for IITJEE student in maths subject, and I have taught students who got all India rank 18 also, 18, 20 also. Okay, so it is the interest which is going to carry you forward. It is not the marks, provided you are honest to yourself. That is very important. So I hope you got my point, what I wanted to say, right? Because if any other doubt you have, you can ask me after the session. Okay, we will be having a question and answer session. So I hope you got that point, right? The point is, interest matters. So please do your research. Like I can tell you about IIT, right? If you go to IIT, like suppose, let me take an example of me. Suppose somebody will ask me, sir, if you would have not gone to IIT, would you have been to this place now? I think yes. There are many people, there are many coaching directors who are there, who are running institute, maybe successfully than me, but who are not IIT, right? So I don't feel IIT has played a role right now. I feel, okay, but the life in IIT was completely different. Right now, the district magistrate of my district is my classmate. Okay, so you are going to study with those students. So you never know, maybe after 10 years, maybe chief minister or maybe someone will never know the position. Maybe my classmate. Okay, because students who are interested, who wanted to get some, it is not about IIT only. The point is, people who are focused will go to IIT. It is not about who are focused, And IIT's exam, who have cleared IIT's exam, I feel they can face any stress or any opportunity or any problem in their life right now. So that is what, because IIT will teach you, and once you go to IIT, I'll tell you one more thing. We used to feel that JEE Advanced exam is very tough. Once we go to IIT, we'll enjoy your life. Every exam in IIT is difficult than JEE Advanced exam. Okay, I remember the first subject was mathematics only, again maths only. I got 8 marks, I think, out of 40. Okay, I got 8 marks out of 40, and again maths was my favorite subject, right? So you see, so IIT is not difficult to survive in IIT also. But if you are interested, if you are passionate about it, you are going to enjoy it like anything. If you study at a proper time, they are going to give you so many other opportunities. Everything is there in IIT. If you compare X Institute with IIT, definitely it will be, I am talking about engineering exams, engineering colleges only. I don't feel the facilities which you will get in IIT will get anywhere else in India. Okay, maybe they will set up playgrounds for you, because as per standard with IIT, but there will be state champions who will be coaching you sports also. There will be personalities coming every day to your institute to meet you. I am very proud to say in IIT one day this, you know Mark Zuckerberg, right? Most of you know Facebook, right? You know Facebook? Students also know Facebook. I will recommend don't use it right now, but you should know. You should have the general knowledge. The co-founder of Facebook, Mark Zuckerberg, he chose to come to IIT Delhi to give a town hall session. So those people will be coming to IIT. So you can see you can experience, or you can imagine the ambience where you are going to stay. Okay, so that ambience will matter. Success will be okay. Maybe somebody is not going to IIT will get automatically, but the journey, okay, the journey will be completely different and full of joyful experiences, hardships, and you will be remembering those incidents throughout your life. Because now if you imagine, suppose how many are in class 10th pass out right now? Students who are going to pass out 10th, who are in class 10th right now. Okay, so when you go from your institute right now, I don't think you will remember, or you will have memories of your exams. You will have memories of how you were friends with how you friends were there, how you enjoyed with each other. Those are the memories which are going to stay with you forever. Marks, that exam I got 100 out of 100 in that exam, I don't think you remember that. Okay, so journey is also very important. So journey should also be, and IIT I can trust you because I have gone through that phase. But I won't say other paths are not interesting. Okay, I am telling only about IIT. Because I went through that path, so I can tell you. So that journey is going to be wonderful. And you will be meeting with those people directly with whom you have to take appointment for the waiting time maybe 10 days. If you are a general citizen of India. But you can meet those people directly. There is one friend of me, he from IIT only, he have a direct access to director of AIMS. AIMS is near IIT Delhi. So, because he has some problem which can't be cured, so director of AIMS has given him open that card. You can come to me at any time, whether I am in the class or whether I am in the operation. You can come to me directly. So why he have given to that particular student? He was not some big personality. He was just a student. Because he might have seen the interest of that student. He might have seen him somewhere. So he have given, okay, he has seen the condition of this guy is really wonderful for the country. He will do something for country. So he might have felt, I need to take care of this person personally. So he have given, he can go for cure in AIMS without standing in a line, just by showing that card. So that is what is going to happen. So with that I'll close my session. In case you have a doubt, you can ask me after in question and answer session. Okay, so thank you again for coming. We will have more sessions in future also.